Hey guys, I'm here with the newest gaming handheld device. This is the MSI Claw. Maybe it looks familiar if you've seen a Steam Deck or a device like that. This thing is even more powerful according to specs. That's the claim to fame here. This uses the new Meteor Lake processor from Intel. It's a Core i7 here. This thing has a terabyte of memory for that configuration, $799. So, right in that price range for these devices. Now, I spent a little bit of time playing with it. Feels pretty good in the hand. It's a little bit heavy, 1.5 pounds. So again, it might be tiring over time. We'll see. This uses a 7-inch, 120 hertz LCD display. It doesn't have the same OLED display found on, for example, the Steam Deck OLED or the new Switch OLED, but still pretty nice, bright display. Feels good in the hand. I really appreciated, for example, the triggers on the back felt really nice, and the joysticks as well. So all told, pretty easy to play this thing. Nice big screen. Again, the benefit here is that improved processor. You can output it to a TV, get the benefit of better graphics. And of course, it works with Windows 11. So this is a competitor to the Steam Deck, runs a similar set of PC-based games. Take it on the go. One of the nice things about this large size is you can get better battery life. They're saying the MSI Claw gets about 2 hours of battery life, so that's pretty decent again for this level of processing. That's a quick look at one of the newest gaming handhelds. This is the Windows 11 based MSI Claw.